The Woody Woodpecker Show. Presented by Kellogg's. Kellogg's Cereals. The best to you each morning.
Meet my boss, Walter Lance.
Relax, Woody. It will soon be Halloween, and we're going to have a party.
Oh, boy, when do we start?
Take it easy. First, we have a message from Kellogg's. Hi, kids. Now we're all set for Woody's Spookinanny party. Okay, Woody? Woody, where are you?
Here I come, boss. Trick or treat.
Hey, Woody, cut that out. Watch it. Take it easy. You're going to get hurt. Oh, so that's your trick. Now I've got a treat for you.
Really?
You're going to blow up every one of these balloons. Oh, stop your mumbling and get going. And while you're blowing up the balloons, I'll show our friends one of your cartoons.
Guess who?
The story you're about to see is a big, fat lie. No names have been changed to protect anybody. It was Tuesday the 8th, 11:01 p.m. We're working out a spy detail. My name's Thursday. 11:03, the call came in. I'll get it, Thursday. I'll get it, Al. I'll get it, Thursday. I've got it, Al. Hello. Is this Monday? No, this is Thursday, spy detail. It was a 498 PS. A top secret formula had been stolen from the research lab. We had a job to do. We ran all suspects' names through R&I and came up with the bat. Struck again. We moved fast.
You've had a rough night, boy.
Come on, time to get up. Dig that laugh, boy. How about those exercises? Can't keep your end up, can you? Keep that chin up. You're weak as a cat. Better take your tonic. Wow, what a tonic! You feel like a new woodpecker. Say, what's going on here? You need some fresh air. That tonic has given you terrific strength. Go out and test it. The tonic life is wearing off. Your strength is gone. You need more tonic, boy.
Attention, everyone. Be on the lookout for this man. He is the Bat, a dangerous spy who has stolen a top-secret formula. The missing bottle bears this label.
Danger. 1 drop, 50,000 horsepower.
If you find this bottle, it is your duty to return it at once to your nearest BFI office.
To the BFI. Okay, son, you're doing fine. This is a spooky place for the BFI headquarters.
Can this be the right place? About to send out a couple of APBs on the Bat when a kid came in. He claimed to have captured the Bat. Had him in a trunk. He got the Bat all right, the bottle too. Clever kid. You want to tell us about it, son? Yeah, show us how you did it, son. Kid's been watching too many television programs. Yeah.
Ouch! Come on, Woody, hurry up with those balloons. What's the matter, Woody? Running out of gas?
You just watch this, Mr. Lance.
Watch it, she's gonna explode. Take it easy, Woody. Oh, no.
It didn't work, boss.
Too bad, Woody.
Do we start the party now?
Not until you blow up these balloons.
Never knew a woodpecker. I'm gonna... Oh, no.
And while he's doing it, let's look at another cartoon.
So you're gonna make it tough for me, huh? Okay, you asked for it. Over you go. Oh, Pelican can get the best of me. I'll show you who's boss around here.
Wider, wider.
Oh, my gosh. Oh, I've got an orphan egg. Oh, now I gotta keep it warm. Well, what do you know? A baby pelican. What's the matter? You hungry? What do baby pelicans eat? Oh, you want a fish? Okay, now you wait right here. Amen.
How you doing, Woody? Have you got those balloons ready?
This is the last one, boss. Who are we inviting to the Halloween party?
We'll invite Andy Panda,
Great.
Homer Pigeon,
Okay.
And Cuddles.
Not Cuddles the Great Dane. He'll eat us out of house and home.
How about Space Mouse?
Great. I hope he brings his lunar schooner.
Chilly Willy and Smedley.
Yeah, they're fun.
How about Sugarfoot?
Sugarfoot? Who ever heard of a horse going to a party?
Don't be silly. We'll use him for the donkey.
Yeah, and pin the tail on him.
Well, Woody, let's invite Knothead and Splinter, Wally Walrus, and Buzz Buzzard.
Okay, I'm ready.
Be careful, Woody.
This party is going to be a blast.
What happened, Woody?
It didn't work, boss.
Never mind, Woody. You go out and find your own Halloween party. And watch out for ghosts.
Thanks, boss.
So long, Woody. Have fun.
Boy, am I going to scare everybody. Woo! 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 Woo!
Hey, Andy Panda.
What's up, Smedley?
Here comes Woody, dressed like a ghost.
I wonder what he's up to this time.
Guess he thinks he can fool us. Hey, gang, get ready. Woody's coming. Woody's coming.
I can hardly wait.
Me either.
Let's give him a trick or treat.
No treats, just tricks.
Woody's coming. Quiet! Quiet, everybody! Here he comes!
Trick or treat.
Okay, fellas, turn it on!
I said trick or treat. Something phony around here. I'm getting all the tricks and no treats. Aw, come on. Open up. Trick or treat. Hey, it's me, your old pal. Okay, that's enough tricks, wise guys. Trick or treat. So it's tricks they want? I'll show them.
Going right through the wall!
It's me. Hey, gang, look. It's Woody.
Woody?
Woody?
Woody who?
Woody Woodpecker.
You're just in time for the big party.
We're gonna do the Spookananny.
The Spookananny?
Yeah, the Spookananny.
What are we waiting for? All set, let's go.
Spook, 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 spookin' Annie. Ghosts and goblins dancing all around. Spook, 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 spookin' Annie. Haunting all the houses in town. Spook, 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 spookin' Annie. Jack-o'-lanterns laughing with delight. Spook, 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 spookin' Annie. Anything can happen tonight. Here come the witches, flying on the sticks, hanging from their brooms a bag of tricks. Strange things can happen before your very eyes. Magic tricks, you'll be surprised. Spook, 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 spookin' Annie. Owls a hootin', give you quite a scare. Spook, 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 spookin' Annie. If the moon is hiding, beware. Spook, 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 spookin' Annie. Ghosts and goblins dancing all around. Spook, 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 spookin' Annie. Dancing on the ceiling upside down. Spook, 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 spookin' Annie. Grinning pumpkins in the window glow. Spook, 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 spookin' Annie. Watching out for gremlins to show. Watch out for black cats when they're on the prowl, scaring everyone but the wise old owl. Stop, look, and listen when the moon is bright. Better wear your mask tonight. Spook, 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 spookin' Annie. Ghosts and goblins dancing all around. Spook, 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 spookin' Annie. Haunting all the houses in town.
You know, kids, Halloween is a time that's supposed to be fun for everyone, kids and grown-ups. So enjoy yourself. But remember to be polite when you ask for treats, and don't play tricks that are harmful. Help make Halloween a night that everyone will enjoy.
Spook, 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 spookin' Annie. Ghosts and goblins dancing all around. Spook, 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 spookin' Annie.
Haunting all the houses in town. Thanks for the party, boss.
Kellogg's cereals, the best to you each morning, has presented the Woody Woodpecker Show.
Goodbye now.
See you on our next show.
Spook, 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 spookin' Annie. Ghosts and goblins dancing all around. Spook,